Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed
What's up everybody, welcome to another scalping strategy lesson. In today's video I want to teach you an awesome scalping strategy that is run on 1 minute time frame. It's very easy and highly profitable. Just make sure you watch this video until the end so you won't miss any important point that you should consider when executing this strategy. Alright, as I said, this is a 1 minute scalping strategy. So here we set the chart time frame on 1 minute. This is the price chart of British pound to US dollar, but you can use this strategy on any other asset, whether it's forex, crypto or stocks. The only requirement for this strategy in terms of the asset or market is the trading volume and liquidity. This is a 1 minute scalping strategy and we're going to actively trade in a day, and the profits that we're going to take are very small, so we don't want to experience unreal price gaps or large spread between buying and selling prices that are caused by insufficient order book, because this can damage our trade entry, stop loss and profit. In this strategy we use 3 indicators. For adding indicators, here we click on indicators and we simply search the name. The first one is CCI, Commodity Channel Index, this one, and for this indicator we must change its setting. Here for the length we set it on 100. The next indicator that we should add is ADX, Average Directional Index, this one, and also for this indicator we must change its settings. Here for the ADX smoothing we set it at 9, and also for DI length similarly we set it at 9. And finally we should add 3 exponential moving averages to our chart. Better to add moving average ribbon, this one, so we can manage all of them in one place. Here as you can see we need 3 moving averages, so we uncheck this one. 3 of them should be exponential moving averages, so here we set EMA for them. The first one should be with length of 10 and let's make it red. The second one with length of 21 and let's make it blue. And the third one with length of 50 and let's change the color to green. Everything is already set on the chart, and before we start the strategy, please give this video a like, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. Alright, now let's see how we trade based on this scalping strategy. Based on this strategy, we can catch every turning points of the market, whether it's in the direction of the current trend or it's against the trend. So in cases that we take the trades that are in the reversal point of the market, the risk of the trade is higher because we're entering against the current direction of the market. In this video, I'll show you the both cases, but you can adjust this strategy and take only the signals that are in the current direction of the market. I'll talk more about this later in this video. Alright, in this strategy, we use these 3 moving averages for discovering trade entries. We use CCI for confirming the signal, and we use ADX for further confirmation if the market is trending, so we can filter the false signals that happen in trading ranges when the market is flat and not trending. When the red moving average, which is the shortest one, crosses above the other 2 moving averages, it's important that it crosses from below to the above. It gives us the signal that the market is turning and changing its direction. When the red EMA is already crossed above the other 2, then we take a look at the CCI. The CCI must be above 0, the center line. If it's below 0, the bullish signal is not confirmed. Then for further confirmation, we look at ADX, and the ADX must be above 20, showing that the market is not flat and is trending, and there is a possibility for further advancing of the price. So by confirmation of these 2 indicators, we can enter a long position here at this point. The stop loss for this trade is placed below the longest moving average, the green one, and for the profit target, we can take the profit of this trade in 2 ways. One way is setting it in advance and taking it at level which makes the risk to reward ratio equals 1.5, which is at this level, and the other way is taking the profit when we get the first candle that is closed below the moving average with length of 21, the blue one, which happened here at this level. Moving on the chart, here the red moving average crossed below the other two, giving the signal for possible reversal point and an opportunity for opening a short position. In this case, the CCI must be below zero to confirm the trade, which as you can see is not the case. So this trade is not taken, and you can see that we didn't have any further declining of the price, and the price turned back in the direction of the prior trend. Here again, the red EMA crossed above the other two in a situation that it was below the other two moving averages and crossed above them. The CCI is above zero and the ADX is also above 20. So the trade is confirmed and we can open another long position here at this point. The stop loss for this trade is placed below the longest EMA, which is the green one, and we set the profit target at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Moving on the chart, here again the red EMA crossed below the other two, but this time also no chance and the CCI is above zero, so the short trade is not confirmed. Shortly after the red EMA crosses again above the other two EMAs, the CCI is above zero and the ADX is above 20, so another opportunity for opening a long position here at this point. The stop loss is similarly placed below the longest moving average and the profit target at the level that makes the risk to reward ratio equals 1.5. Moving on the chart, here again the red EMA crosses below the other two EMAs, but this time CCI is below zero and the ADX is above 20. So taking a short position is confirmed here and we can open a short position here at this point. But this trade closes with loss. As I mentioned earlier, trades that are taken against the current direction of the market has higher degree of risk. Here we entered a short position after a well-developed uptrend. An aggressive trader may take this trade in the hope of making profit at the early stages of reversal, but a conservative trader who doesn't like to take much risk can avoid this trade. Moving on the chart, here again red EMA crosses above the other two EMAs, the CCI is above zero and the ADX is above 20, so the trade is confirmed and we can enter another long position here at this point. Moving forward on the chart, again here the red EMAs crosses below the other two, but CCI doesn't confirm any short position here at this point. Shortly after it crosses again above the other two EMAs, the CCI is above zero and the ADX above 20. So another opportunity for opening a long position here at this point. Please pay attention that in cases that the longest moving average is far from your trade entry, you can set your stop loss below the middle moving average, the blue line. Please pay attention that you're not gonna catch every movement of the market by the help of this trading strategy. So be patient and control your emotions because there is always another opportunities coming and you must prepare yourself for them. I've already mentioned that reversal signals have more risk, so if you want to lower your risk to the minimum level, you can ignore them and focus only on the signals that are in the direction of the current trend. For discovering the current trend, besides price action techniques, you can also use some indicators like super trend or a moving average with length of 200 to help you on this. And the most important aspect of this strategy for running it successfully and profitably, risk management. This is a scalping strategy and you're gonna trade actively in a day, so if you don't manage your risk properly, you may blow up your trading account faster than what you think, because losing trades are part of the game and it's impossible to win every single trade, so you must exactly determine how much you will lose if the market goes against your position. There is a risk management strategy for active trading which is called 1% rule. I have a complete guide on this strategy. The link is also in the description of this video and I highly recommend you to watch it, because without this you cannot successfully run the strategy I explained in this video. Not for this strategy but for any other trading strategies, it's really important to manage your risk properly. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video and good luck with your trading.